You know the feeling of frustration you get when your strategy gives you a signal to trade, you open a position, but then the price immediately reverses and triggers a stop loss? If this happens to you regularly, you definitely need to watch this video because today I will reveal how I filter out the majority of fake signals given by any strategy in a way you haven't seen before. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. So we're currently on the indicator selection and this is Euro to USD on 5 minutes chart. It doesn't matter, you can trade on any other strategy, any other market, any other pair. It's up to you. Let's build a simple trading strategy using only 2 indicators. For the first tool, let's add the follow line indicator. The one that you're looking for is this one by Dread Blitz. For the second tool, let's search for MACD plus 200 SMA strategy. The indicator was created by ChartArts. Let's have a quick pause here. If you don't know the whole concept of MACD, the original one or even the new one which I published recently on my channel, I highly recommend to check those videos. The links are down in the description. Enjoy them, it's all for free. Now let's make some slight adjustments to the settings of these indicators. So open the setting of the follow line indicator and disable the trend line. The next step is to open the setting of the MACD plus SMA and uncheck some options in the style as well. The first indicator is the one that prints these blue and red signals on a chart. A blue label is a signal to buy and the red label is a signal to sell. On the other hand, we have the SMA plus MACD indicator, which consists of 2 parts, the colored SMA and the bar colors. If the price is moving below the SMA and the SMA is red, the price is in a downtrend. In addition, if the bars are red in color, the selling pressure is very strong. When the bars become blue, they signal a consolidation phase. Sellers usually start taking their profits, which results in a price correction. Conversely, when the SMA is green and the price is moving above it, the market is in an uptrend. Now, once we know how these indicators function, let's build a simple trading strategy with these tools. This is a trend following strategy that includes 4 rules. So the conditions for a buy trade are as follows. First, the follow line indicator issues a buy signal. Second, the price is closed above the SMA. Third, the SMA is green. And fourth, the price bar is green as well. The most important thing is that all these conditions must be met at the time this signal is issued. The opposite is true for a sell trade. Even though we have these simple rules in place, the strategy works pretty well, but it's definitely not ideal. This is due to the fact that such a strategy does not work in a range market. We see the number of fake signals we get can lead to some serious drawdowns. So how can we eliminate all these fake signals and make sure that we only take high quality trades? In order to solve this problem, we need to add one more tool to the chart. But before doing that, if you're looking for amazing crypto exchange trading platform, I highly recommend to check out for BuyBet. Now, as I'm talking to you, BuyBet is the world's second largest and most reliable trading platform. It's a crypto trading platform, which is providing you with lots of good features. Due to my research, it has the lowest fees, especially for scalpers like me, like lots of you watching this video. And by signing up to the platform, you have the chance to up to winning up a mystery box of $30,000 by using my affiliate link. Down in the description, you have an extra chance of winning an extra mystery box up to $5,000. So what are you waiting for? Do it right away. All you need is to just go, sign up, do your KYC, deposit some money, start trading, and enjoy it. And if you're a beginner and you don't know how to properly work with a crypto exchange platform, don't worry. Previously, I made a completely dedicated session and video about it. The link is down in the description. I taught you everything from the scratch, from how to deposit and withdraw both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, how to do spot trading, how to take some leverages, how to set different types of orders for day trading like market orders, limit orders, conditional orders. So everything you're gonna need as a trader / investor is there. Make sure to check it out. This indicator is called QQE MT4, created by Glass. The QQE is primarily based on the Relative Strength Index or RSI and is smoothed with a welder's smoothing method. It consists of two lines, the QQ line, the main line, and the signal line. This indicator is super versatile and it can identify the trend, overbought, oversold levels, and entry and exit points. For our strategy, we'll use this tool in a very effective and unique way. So to confirm a long trade, all the rules that I mentioned previously must be met. In addition, the QQE yellow line must be over the red line. This condition confirms a bullish trend. However, there is still one more rule in place that no one knows about yet. So make sure you pay close attention here. To confirm the momentum of the price action to the upside, you need to take a look at the yellow line. You can see the line is often making highs and lows. So what you want to do is simply draw a line from the most recent swing high to the current value. Let me actually zoom in so that you can see it better. Now, the next question is, how do you find the recent high? Well, the answer is simple. Look at the last time when QQE was being bullish, meaning the yellow line was above red line, and then simply find the peak that happened during this time. So the ultimate confirmation for a long trade would be to have this trend line pointing upwards. If the line is flat or is pointing downwards, you do not enter the trade. For this strategy, we will target 2 times the risk. For sell trades, do the opposite. First, wait for the signal line issued by the follow line indicator. At the same time, the price must be closed below the SMA and the bar column must be red, and the QQE yellow line must be below the red line. And now, draw the line from the recent low the yellow line has made to the current value. The QQE is making lower lows, which confirms our entry. By the way, traders, you can make the follow line indicator a bit faster by unchecking the ATR filter. Right away, we can see that we get more signals. Okay, now let's find some more signals given by the strategy. Pay close attention to these examples. So, here we see a long entry. We see that all the basic conditions are met. Then we look down at the QQE. We can see it's bullish and the yellow line is making new highs. So we can confidently enter the trade. See that all these buy signals that appeared during a range market were not confirmed, and this is exactly how you eliminate all these fake signals. But don't worry, I have a surprise for you how to take an advantage of a ranging market just before the end of the video, so make sure to watch it until the end. We see the indicator printed a buy signal. The trend is bullish as the price is closed above the SMA. The SMA and the price bar are green. The QQE was also bullish. However, the momentum was not there. We can see the line is pointing downwards, and good thing we didn't take this trade because it could have resulted in a loss. Here we had another sell entry that appeared right at the bottom of the trend. Definitely a bad price to sell at. And the QQE is telling us exactly that. Okay, now let's find some valid entries. Alright, we have a sell signal right here. The requirements for a sell trade are in place and the QQE is making new lows. Here's another sell entry and this one was also successful. Seems like this indicator finds a pattern in the price which has a really high success ratio. Just notice how many fake signals this indicator eliminates. It only leaves the high quality ones, which is exactly what we want. However, no strategy is perfect. We still have some losing trades, but those do not happen that often. Let me show you the backtesting result for this strategy. So as you can see, I'm just doing the minimums here with $100 during 100 trades with only the leverage of 5. It's just an average because I'm telling the beginners do not use the leverage at all, and after a while use 2x 3x leverage at last 5x. And for better traders, more experienced traders, I highly recommend never go above 10x leverage and do a proper money management, risk management. But for as an average, I demonstrated with 5x leverage, and here are the results as you can see it. So you remember I told you I can show you how to benefit out of even the ranging market. So make sure to check this video over here because I showed you a strategy which you can have as a plan B or a plan A or a plan all the way to Z. So you cannot always trade with only one strategy and that's going to work out for you. It can work out for you, but lots of the times you shouldn't take trades. But if you have plan A, B, C for different types of the market, then you have a proper trading system consisting of different trading strategies for different types of the market, so you can always benefit out of the market. Why not? So you can apply this strategy to any trend following strategy, and I'm sure the results will be really good. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you want to see more high win ratio strategies, check this playlist right here and enjoy this all for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share it with your friends. That's gonna make me even more happier than you watching this video. See you in the next one.